How Napoleon Conquered Europe, a brief history. Napoleon Bonaparte, a visionary military strategist and emperor of the French, left an indelible mark on European history through his ambitious military campaigns. His rise to power and subsequent conquests reshaped the political landscape of the early 19th century. Early life. In 1769, and rise to power born in Corsica, Napoleon quickly rose through the ranks of the French military during the tumultuous years of the French Revolution. His leadership skills and strategic acumen became evident as he successfully defended the revolutionary government against royalist uprisings and foreign invasions. The Italian campaigns. Napoleon's first major conquest came during the Italian campaigns of 1796 to 1797. His innovative tactics and swift maneuvers defeated the Austrian and Italian forces, establishing French dominance in northern Italy. These victories not only expanded French territory, but also solidified Napoleon's reputation as a military genius. The Egyptian expedition. Seeking to challenge British naval superiority and expand French influence in the Mediterranean, Napoleon led an expedition to Egypt in 1798. Although the campaign ended with mixed military success, it brought back invaluable cultural and scientific treasures to France, sparking an Egyptomania craze in Europe. Rise to emperor. Amidst political turmoil in France, Napoleon seized power in a coup d'etat in 1799 and declared himself first consul. His authoritarian rule brought stability to France and accelerated his military ambitions. Grand Empire. From 1804 onwards, Napoleon embarked on a series of military campaigns that reshaped Europe. His victories at Austerlitz, 1805, against Austria and Prussia, and at Jena Auerstedt, 1806, against Prussia, showcased his military brilliance and expanded French influence across the continent. The Peninsular War and invasion of Russia. Napoleon's ambitious attempts to enforce the continental system, aimed at economically isolating Britain, led to the Peninsular War, 1808 to 1814, in Spain and Portugal. Concurrently, his ill-fated invasion of Russia in 1812 marked a turning point. Despite initial successes, the brutal Russian winter and strategic withdrawals decimated his grand army. Downfall and legacy. Defeated in 1814 by the Sixth Coalition, Britain, Russia, Prussia, Austria, and Sweden, Napoleon was exiled to the island of Elba. He briefly returned to power in 1815 during the 100 Days, only to suffer a final defeat at the Battle of Waterloo against the Seventh Coalition. Napoleon's legacy is complex and enduring. His Napoleonic code influenced legal systems worldwide, while his military strategies set new standards in warfare. His conquests and reforms reshaped Europe politically and culturally, leaving an indelible mark on the continent's history and shape our understanding of modern European history. Britain in summary. Napoleon Bonaparte's conquest of Europe was driven by his military genius, ambition, and strategic vision. From his early victories in Italy to his eventual downfall at Waterloo, Napoleon's legacy continues to fascinate historians,